Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic numerical question based on capacitor. And numerical is that a capacitor is filled with two dielectric of the same dimension but of dielectric constant K1 and K2 respectively. Find the capacitance in the two possible arrangement. This is a capacitance, this is a capacitor of capacitance C, and the distance between the plate is D and the area of each plate is A. So the capacitance of this capacitor is given by A epsilon naught upon D. But when the distance between the plates is filled by two dielectric constant, as you see, the area covered by the dielectric constant K1 and K2 in first case is like this. It means dielectric substance covered area completely, but the distance covered by dielectric constant is half. Okay, because the dimension is same. But in second case, the area covered by dielectric constant K1 and K2 is half, but the distance covered by dielectric constant K1 and K2 is same from initial, like initial value. The distance is same like initial value. Okay, so this arrangement is represented by figure A and this represented by figure B. As you know, we can polarize a dielectric constant. So in this combination, this arrangement behave like a series combination of capacitor, because in this capacitor the dielectric substance connected end to end. So this behave like a series combination of capacitor. But in this arrangement, the dielectric constant or dielectric substance is connected by both ends. It means this arrangement behave like a parallel combination of capacitor. So this behave like a series combination of capacitor C1 and C2, and this behave like a parallel combination of capacitor C1 dash and C2 dash. Okay, so we have to find the value of CS and value of CP. So in figure 1, in figure A, arrangement behaves like series combination of two capacitor of capacitance C1 and C2, and the value of C1 equal to A epsilon naught K1 upon D by 2, because as you know, the capacitance of capacitor when air is placed between the plate is given as, but when a dielectric constant is filled between the plate, the value of capacitance change as A epsilon naught K1 D by 2, because distance is also half. So 2 A epsilon naught K1 upon D, and value of C2 equal to A epsilon naught K2 upon D by 2. It means 2A epsilon naught K2 upon D. This is the value of C1 and this is the value of C2. And the resultant of these two capacitors C1 and C2 is given as CS equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Because as you know, by using this formula, we can find the series combination of two capacitors. So 1 upon CS equal to the value of C1 is 2A epsilon naught K1 upon T plus 1 upon 2A epsilon naught K2 upon D. So 1 upon CS equal to D upside D 2A epsilon naught K1 and this D is also upside D upon 2A epsilon naught K2. So 1 upon 2 epsilon naught A 2A epsilon naught and D is common. So 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. D upon 2A epsilon naught. So 1 upon CS equal to D upon 2A epsilon naught 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2 D upon 2 epsilon naught K1 K2 LCM. So K2 plus K1. So CS equal to the reciprocal of this value. It means 2A epsilon naught upon D and K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2. So this is the value of resultant capacitor when two dielectric substance filled between the plate like this. Okay, and this is the value of C A epsilon upon D. So we can replace this value. C is equal to 2C and K1 K2 K1 K2 upon K1 plus K. Okay, this is the value of resultant capacitance in first case. K1 K2. Now in second case, the value of C1 dash area is half but distance is same. In figure B, arrangement behave like parallel combination of two capacitor of capacitance C1 dash and C2 dash. Okay, and the value of C1 dash equal to A epsilon naught K1 A by 2 because area is half and C2 dash equal to A by 2 epsilon naught K2 upon D. Okay, or as you know, the formula for parallel combination is given as Cp equal to C1 dash plus C2 dash. Okay, so Cp equal to the value of C1 is A epsilon naught K1 upon 2D plus A epsilon naught K2 upon 2D. A epsilon naught 2D is common. So Cp equal to A epsilon naught upon 2D. The value is K1 plus K2. So value of Cp equal to, this is the value of initial capacitance. So C upon 2 K1 plus K2. So this is the value of capacitance when the dielectric substance filled like this. Okay, I hope you understood. So the remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.